So hello guys, in this question we have to find the power series representation of the function. The function is 6 divided by 7 minus x, and it is found, it is need to found that x is equal to 0, and the answer should be in the format of sigma from n is equal to 0 to n is equal to infinite, and we have to find the interval of convergence. So first of all, we know that the sum of a geometric series, like if we write 1 plus x square plus dash to infinity is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x. So we can write this summation in the sigma form, n is equal to 0 to infinite, that x to the power n, where mod x should be less than 1. Then from this function, the function is given f(x) is equal to 6 divided by 7 minus x. Then if we will write this function in the form of this series, then what we will get? We will get that 1 divided by 7 minus x can be written as 1 divided by 1 plus 6 minus x. So here we will replace this x by 6 minus x in this above series, then it will be treated as sigma n is equal to 0 to infinite. Then if we will replace x by 6 minus x to the power n. So here we can easily see that the 6 is multiplied in the numerator, so we multiply 6 both sides, then it will become 6 divided by 7 minus x, and here it will become sigma n is equal to 0 to infinite. So here we will write 6 into 6 minus x to the power n. So this is the power series representation of the above function. To find the interval of convergence, we know that here mod x is less than 1. So if we will replace x by 6 minus x, then it is less than 1. If we will open the mode, then minus 1 is less than 6 minus x, less than 1. We have to subtract 6 from both sides, then it will become minus x, it will become 1 minus 6. So we can see from here, this is 1, minus 1 minus 6, this is minus 7, less than minus x, less than minus 5. If we will multiply minus sign to both sides, then sign will change and this will become. So from here we can easily see that interval of convergence is x belongs to 5 to 7, and this will be an open interval. So here by this method we can solve these such type of problems. Thank you very much.